Hello guys, welcome back again. Today in this video we are going to create a website using Python. So let's go to the video. This is a basic which is foundation of how to make a website using Python. Guys, I'm just opening my Visual Studio Code. So here you have to import the module name called Flask. So I just type pip install Flask, right? Press enter and they have requirement already satisfied. So I have already installed this plugin before. So first we have to import this plugin to our code. So I just type from Flask and import Flask, right? Then we have to just give the Flask name, right? And now we have to upload. And here I have to mention the function which is the form like this. So and return value. I just have to pass some text here. So I just passed hello world. This is my first Flask website. Right. Now I have to give the main method if name main fd but true. Right. I just save this one now, and if I run this one, so you can see here running on this link. So I just need to copy this link and open the browser. So they have a browser. So I just paste it and so you can see hello. Well, this is my first Flask website. So you can also add HTML file to this, and also you can develop a good any kind of website using this plugin in Python. So that's how you can make a website using Python. So they have a other way which is called Django. So you can also build the website using that module. So this is all for today's video. So thanks for guys watching. See you guys in the next video. If you have any doubt and you want to know how to add the HTML file to and code to this, so let me know, and also comment down below and subscribe, like the video. See you guys in the next video.